Sup guys? Today it's just gonna probably be what the fuck. Anyways, but I'm probably just gonna show you why is the chicken always what the fuck. Anyways, I'm gonna show you a really big rocket. Where's it? Don't mind the chickens. They are really loud. So I'm gonna show you the biggest rocket you could ever see on your entire life. I think you already see it. Dude, shut the fuck up! No, it's so big, it's taller than. Dude, it's as heavy as queso. That's 50. I'm gonna shoot that shit. That's 50 plus Titan engine, dude. And look, it's so fucking tall! It's so fucking tall. Look, now it has like a stage here. So, just in case. Don't mind the adapter. Uh, so that's it, guys. It's all I wanna show you. It's the giant huge PP. I mean, it's the giant. I'm gonna shoot that chicken if that shit barks one more time. So don't mind the adapter. I don't know what to add there, but that's it, guys. Bye.